All right, friends, let's step onto our rebounder for a gentle 4-minute health bounce. And today's workout is perfect for beginners, adults over 50, and anyone looking for a low-impact way to move their body and support their health. For this practice, your feet stay on the mat the entire time. We're softly bending the knees and gently bouncing. Go ahead and engage your core just a little bit, drawing the belly button in towards the spine, relaxing the shoulders, and breathe naturally. Nice and easy. Great job. Even with this gentle movement, you're already waking up the muscles that support balance and stability. Your core, your hips, your ankles, your legs, even your posture muscles, everything is working here. And if we've not met yet, hi, I'm Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, and after working with hundreds of women in their 50s, 60s, and beyond, I truly believe rebounding can be one of the most supportive forms of movement as we age. Rebounding is gentle on the joints, supports circulation and balance, helps increase energy, and can be a wonderful option if traditional cardio just feels a little too hard for the body. And of course, if balance is a concern for you, I always recommend using a safety bar for extra support and confidence. And by the way, a huge thank you to BCAN and Fed Fitness for providing this rebounder I'm using today. Their BT4 rebounder has a really soft, supportive bounce that feels especially nice for beginners and joint-friendly workouts like this. And from May 25th through May 31st, 2026, they're actually offering my community 15% off all BCAN rebounders using my code at checkout. I'll place all the information below in the description if you'd like to check it out. And now just keep breathing here, keep the knees soft, relax your jaw. Nice, steady rhythm. And remember, you don't need intense workouts to support your health. Sometimes these simple, consistent forms of movement are exactly what helps us feel stronger, steadier, more energized, and more connected with our bodies again. And if you're just getting started rebounding, you can begin with 2, 3, 4 minutes like we're doing today and gradually build over time. Keep going. You're doing a great job. Rebounding can also help us support healthy circulation and reduce that heavy, sluggish feeling many of us get from sitting too long throughout the day. If you're enjoying this workout, I'd love to stay connected with you. I send out a weekly wellness newsletter filled with healthy aging tips, encouragement, and inspiring stories to support your wellness journey, and I'd love for you to join us there. Here we are for 3, 2, and 1. Yay! Great job today. I am so proud of everyone who stuck around till the end. All right, take a moment here, ground your feet. Inhale, one arm reaches to the sky. Exhale, side body stretch. Release that, and other side. Inhale, arm up. Exhale to fold. And one round of angel breath. Inhale, both arms reach high to the sky. Lots of love in. And exhale, lots of love out. Fabulous job. I hope to see you in the next video. Take good care and have a wonderful rest of your day. See you soon.